I'm just gonna share a replay, guys, when I made a giant graveyard deck and forgot to include the graveyard in my deck. This is a Clan Wars game, so I'm just gonna speed it up to 2 times.
Showtime!
We call good game at the start of the game. I tried Golden Knight because Golden Knight seems OP, said by some creators. And I think the graveyard should have been on the spot of the Golden Knight. I placed the giant so that the fisherman will pull it to the tower, and I got some damage. He hard counters me because he has P.E.K.K.A. And he also has Wizard to counter my Evo Skarn. So I removed the shield. I wasn't able to pull up the ability of the Golden Knight, but I was able to use the Evo Snowball to save me from that push. Overtime, guys. I'm having a hard time defending P.E.K.K.A. Wizard. I have to rely on my Musketeer to do some safe damage because he has no heavy spell. There's a Ram Rider connection. So this is it, guys. He P.E.K.K.A. at the back. So I made my move. I went giant on the bridge, Evo Skeleton Army, and hope that I can get some value from the invincible skeletons. See? Good thing the fisherman pulled my Dark Prince, so the wizard did not splash on my Evo Skeleton Army, and I don't know why I snowballed when I could just hide for the win. Anyways, I just shared to you guys, very funny game, funny victory, nice comeback. Giant graveyard deck without the graveyard, but I managed to win against a P.E.K.K.A. wizard deck. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.